Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency that you are using within your Blue Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blue Wallet app on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into any account already, you will see the Add Now button, which you can use and proceed forward with your recovery phrase in order to log into your wallet. After you have been logged in, you will see your wallet right away. Now, if you wish to change the currency that you are using within your account, just tap on the three dots at the top right corner and you will now see the currency section. Go ahead and tap on it and you may now choose from the list of various different currencies that are available. Just tap on whichever currency you would like to use and now this will be selected as your active currency. From this point on, whenever you make any transaction, you will see your amount displayed in the currency that you just chose. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency on the Blue Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.